Do you ever feel like you're not making the most of your day? Are you tired of feeling unproductive and overwhelmed? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to discuss 6 tips to help you be productive throughout the day. Set clear goals and prioritize your tasks. The first tip is to set clear goals and prioritize your tasks. This means having a clear idea of what you need to accomplish and which tasks are most important. By breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and prioritizing them based on their importance and urgency, you can avoid getting overwhelmed and stay focused on what matters most. Establish a morning routine. The second tip is to establish a morning routine to start your day off right. A consistent morning routine can help you set the tone for the rest of your day. By incorporating healthy habits such as exercise, meditation, journaling, or reading, you can improve your mood, increase your energy levels, and boost your productivity. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout. The third tip is to take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Taking short breaks throughout the day can actually improve your productivity by allowing your brain to rest and recharge. By taking a few minutes every hour or two to stretch, walk around, or do something enjoyable, you can reduce stress, boost creativity, and improve your focus. Use productivity apps. The fourth tip is to use productivity apps or tools to stay organized and on track. With so many apps and tools available, it's important to find the ones that work best for you. Task management apps, time tracking tools, and productivity timers are just a few examples of the many tools you can use to stay focused and on task. Minimize multitasking. The fifth tip is to minimize multitasking and focus on one task at a time. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking can actually reduce your productivity and increase stress. By focusing on one task at a time and giving it your full attention until it's complete, you can improve your efficiency and get more done in less time. Take on challenging tasks during your peak energy hours. The sixth tip is to take on challenging tasks during your peak energy hours. We all have times of day when we feel more alert and focused. By scheduling your most challenging or important tasks during these times, you can maximize your productivity and achieve your goals more quickly. We hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.